Right, so in today's video, we're finally going to be getting grass back on this space. We're going on with the bent fescue turf from Tiller's Turf. I'm going to be showing you that in a moment, but just to explain how the video is going to work. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to get on, I'm going to feed the lawn, talk a little bit about that in a moment. Then we'll roll the turf down, give it a water, and jobs are good. And so all told, a relatively simple process, and you'll be able to see I'm full of mud at the moment, or full of dirt should I say, and that's because I've just done the exact same process in the neighbour's garden. I've had a Pepsi Max, I am rejuvenated and full of life. I'm ready to get back to laying some turf down in this space. So before we feed, let's have a look at the turf we're going to be working with today, because if you haven't seen the previous video, it's looking pretty decent. So just to give you an idea of the type of turf we're working with, you can just see how tightly packed together this bent fescue sward is. So absolutely incredible. Just actually, like I said, done the same thing with the neighbours, and even this is an off-cut from where I've done the neighbour's lawn. You can't even see the soil, even if you try to prise the plants apart. So yeah, nice and short, looking amazing. Let's get it down in the back garden. So first things first, we're going to get on the lawn with a little bit of true grass. It's got a lot of good things for your lawn, and despite what some people may say, it doesn't smell, despite it being composted food waste. It smells okay, to be honest. But yeah, it's a feed that predominantly is here to condition the soil. That's effectively what the feed is meant to do. If you get the soil right, if you condition the soil properly, put the right nutrients down, then the grass is inevitably going to thrive. It's not about feeding the plant, it's about feeding the soil, and in turn you improve the overall health of the plant. And the reason why we're getting on the lawn with this first before we actually get on with the turf is because if you watch the previous video on this lawn, we actually punched a load of holes using the hollow Tine Aerator just to loosen the soil, make it nice and airy, so the roots have somewhere to go, for starters. But also this food as well is going to give it something to feed off of, because the turf is in a really stressed state at the moment, and it's been a few hours since it's been on that pallet. So we need to get it down as soon as we possibly can, get the feed down, give it a nice water, and get nice and relaxed into its new life in the Novice Gardener garden. So yeah, let's crack on. Actually, as well, I use the Leckie fertiliser dispenser before. I'm using the drop spreader only because the space is so small. I don't want to just waste half of the true grass knocking about, because there wouldn't be anything true about that, would there? Now, I do just want to start by saying a massive thank you to Tiller's Turf for actually providing turf for rolling out today. They kindly sent this over so we can show it on this YouTube channel, and it's soon going to be available through the Lawn Association. So whenever that is available, should be by the time I post this video, but if it's not, I'll update it as soon as it is available. You can head over to their website and pick up different types of turf. Like I've already said, this is the bent fescue turf. It's unbelievable. A few people might have commented on the video that I posted where I killed this lawn off. At the time of recording, I've not uploaded that yet, but I presume someone's going to comment and they're going to have said, it already looks thick, it already looks nice. When you see this turf in a moment, if I knew this existed this time last year, then I'd have made Tiller's a little bit of money, because I've been buying a little bit of this. That's just, I'm sorry, but it just looks like a carpet. It's it's very good. It's very nice. Perfect. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Let's get the next roll and let's keep going. What's quite interesting is I purchased a cylinder mower recently, and my fiance, soon to be wife, turned around to me and said, it's meant to be the Novice Gardener channel. You're meant to be a novice at all this and showing people the cheap and easy way of doing things. And I said, yeah, I think I do, to an extent, show people the cheap and easy way to do things. But also as well, it's almost like a documentation on this YouTube channel of sort of how you can go from having little to no experience, and how you can just pick up a few things along the way and actually develop your skills, develop your knowledge, and improve kind of how you approach gardening, how you approach lawn care. I never ever proclaim to be the expert at anything, and I like the idea of someone who was in the same position as me around about 3 or 4 years ago, looking at this channel, and hopefully once this lawn's up and running, I hope to look at it and think, oh, there's no way I can get that, and then look back at my back catalogue of videos and think, do you know what, that idiot can do it. Jeez Louise, anyone can do it, because honestly, this type of lawn promises the world, and we're going to see in a few weeks, in a few months' time, if it lives up to the hype. And I'm going to be really honest with you, I think it will. Let's get the next roll. Right, so there we go, the turf is finally down, and if I do say so myself, I think it looks absolutely amazing. If you just bring it nice and close up to the turf again, you can just see how tightly packed together that sward is. That is a sward. This thing here is nicely tightly packed. It's so unbelievably dense, and over the next few weeks, as this lawn slowly starts to bed itself in, it's just going to be looking absolutely amazing. I mean, it looks amazing now, minus the little lines between each of the turfs. It's absolutely spot on. So like I said before, cheers to Tillers for actually sending this turf, and to the Lawn Association for making it happen. If you want to get something like this yourself, head over to their website at some point. Like I said before, as soon as the link's ready, it'll be in the description of this video, and you can check out this turf yourself and see if it's something you want to do. I mean, at the moment we've got this in progress, the actual bent fescue lawn down at the bottom, but eventually it's gonna look like this. And yeah, when it comes to lawn care, this is definitely the definition of a proper lawn. So cheers for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, feel free to give it a like, and if you'd like to follow along with the progress of this lawn to see how it gets on over the next few weeks, the next few months, and more so over the winter, where hopefully this lawn isn't going to die off like the ryegrass did or has done for the past couple of years, then stick around, subscribe, and finally, thanks for watching.